Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at how to create a user agreement screen using the Ionic Design Kit. Let's get into it. On the left side of the screen, we've got some code pulled straight from the official Ionic docs to guide us. In the center, you'll see the layout built using the Ionic Design Kit components. And over on the right, there's a phone emulator so you can see exactly how everything looks and works in real time. You can grab all the code snippets on our website if you want to follow along or copy anything directly. And if you ever need to slow down, just pause the video to check out the details. Any app that handles user data, offers paid services, or just needs legal coverage is probably going to need some kind of agreement screen. The goal here is simple. Make sure users see and acknowledge your terms before they start using the app. A good modal makes this clear, gives them an easy way to review the documents, and has a simple confirm button so they can accept and move on. Using the Ionic Design Kit for this saves a ton of time. The components for pages, buttons, text areas, they're all there and ready to use. You can customize the look to fit your app's style, but the core pieces are already built, so you're not starting from scratch. And since it's all based on Ionic framework components, developers won't have to write custom code to make the designs work. They're already compatible. So if you're looking for a fast, clean way to handle user agreements in your app, the Ionic Design Kit gives you both the design flexibility and the developer-friendly components to make it happen. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a comment with any questions. See you in the next video.